Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty levels for 11th April. It's been quite some time since I made a video. I've been doing a lot of short videos for the analysis. Now this is the daily chart of Banknifty. Today we have got a nice big red candle, and a couple of things to take a note here is one is this long trend line. We are right about this trend line. Probably we could take some resistance over here. That's the reason we have touched this trend line, and a nice big red candle has come. Now whether this is going to be a big reversal or are we going to continue going up, we'll have to see. The other things that we can see is in daily chart of Bank Nifty, we will see the lower time frame chart as well, 15 minutes. Now in this daily time frame we have made a lower high, and obviously this can break and we can go out, but as of now we have got a nice big red candle. RSI started pointing down, and if you see, the indicator is making a higher high. So this is a good hidden bearish divergence. If somebody is not aware of it, they can just Google hidden bearish divergence. So expecting some kind of a dip. See always what the market does, right? You go up, get some correction, go up, probably get some correction, and then again go up. And this time the uptrend will be confirmed when we break out of this trend line. Right, when we break out of this trend line, we could again head for an impulsive move with targets as 42,000 and probably higher. So as of now, some selling could continue for tomorrow. Let's just see the levels on the 15-minute chart. So this is the 15-minute chart in Bank Nifty, and in the morning we took a nice support over here and bounced. That is in this support zone. We bounced, we went up, and we again came, and we have closed at about 40,800. Now I'm expecting a dip until 40,600 at least before we go up. So we'll have to see. The next best trade is if today's low breaks, that is 40,700 breaks, we could come to test this level, where even previously we have had some price action that is around 40,500. In case if this down mode doesn't come and we start going up, right, then we will have to monitor this type of a channel that the Bank Nifty is in moving in. In the morning also we came, kind of took support over here, bounced, took resistance, came. Probably even if we come again over here around 40,900, we'll have to be careful until this breaks with a nice solid green candle on a 15-minute time frame, right, something like this. We shouldn't be looking to go aggressively long. Probably this we would follow this channel, and once we break out, yes, we could get some up move. And on the downside, we could come until 40,570 or 40,600 is where I'm looking at some kind of a support around 40,600 before going up. And we cannot ignore this type of head and shoulder that is being formed. So couple of things pointing for a dip on the downside. One is the daily hidden divergence, then this head and shoulder. So these are things that we'll have to watch out for. And in case always the market does what it wants to do, right? We will never be able to predict the 100% of the move what is going to happen. So if our bias is on the downside, yes, if today's low breaks, we can short and go long if kind of this trend line breaks or this channel breaks on the upside. This is our view in Bank Nifty. Our bias is on the downside until 40,600 or 40,500 before going higher. We'll see what will happen tomorrow. And this is Nifty. Nifty, early in the morning we got some good up move, but there was a good divergence seen from morning and yesterday's price action. And if we just look at Nifty on the daily chart, see, after nice bullish candles, right, 1, 2, there was some kind of a red candle here, 1, 2, 3, 4, almost like 3 or 4 nice bullish candles. We have again got a doji candle, like an inverted hammer. We'll have to see if this sustains or are we going to get some kind of a dip. It all depends on how the US market is going to open. Again here there is this type of a trend line that where Nifty has taken resistance. Now coming to the Nifty on our 15-minute chart, obviously this level is a very good resistance now, because we made a high of 17,689 and then had a nice sell off from there, and this is a good support. See, if this level breaks tomorrow, that is 17,600, we could retest this level of 17,500 to 17,550, and then this would be the ultimate support, where 17,520. And in case we go higher, let's just go to a higher time frame like 1 hour and see where we can take some resistance. On the upside, we could face resistance here at 17,720, and this is a very good resistance. We cannot ignore this zone. This entire zone can act as a very good resistance, because even previously when we came here, we got a nice sell off. So our bias is on the downside. Let's see what happens in Nifty and Banknifty tomorrow. Hopefully we should get some good trade on the downside. And before we go, if we just check the CPR level for tomorrow, see, tomorrow it's okay, narrow CPR. We should have a little bit of a trendy day like this, where, see, it will be choppy for sure. It's not going to come down in a straight line. When we are in this type of a corrective pattern, we will probably have this type of a choppy move, but it should be easily tradable. That's it for tomorrow, and hope this video helps. If it helps, just hit the like button, and there will be rest of the week we'll just be sharing some short videos. Watch out for that.